If you want to share your subscriptions with someone else on the iPhone 17, start by opening settings. Then you have to go for Apple account and you have to search for family. Open it and go into the option called, by the way, if you open it for the first time, you will have to actually grant permission that you want to really do that. And it will be the second screen that will pop up. And you have to just click plus in the right upper corner. And now we can invite family, and basically invite others, like so. You can use AirDrop, messages, mail, or invite in person by clicking just over here. So we can input someone Apple account data, the phone number, the password. You will have to actually ask your family member to sign in to join the family. But also, if you got some friends, you can just simply send the messages. So you have to input, the contact number and then send it over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.